Good day, Sir Clint. So, today we're going to explore the concept of access modifiers in Java. So, unsa day ang access modifiers? So, access modifiers are keywords used to set the accessibility of classes, methods, and other members. So, morning kuan, lain-laing members ng access modifiers, which is the public and the private, protected, and also the default. But first, we're going to discuss about the public, which is ako ang kauban ng report.
So first, let's talk about the first modifier, which is public access modifier. So the public access modifier is the most permissive. Members declared public are accessible from any other class, which is accessible siya bisag asa kay public, naka-public siya. So i-code daw nato. So magbuhat tag koan example sa public modifier. So for example is first of all is example object. Open new example. Display pwede gyapon ko number number 5. So kani buhat na pud tag method para ani. So public class example para di buhat tag public class ani example kay para dili siya mag-error. Example, then public int, since number atong gigamit, so in public int number mali, semicolon, then public void display print name na number error man
Giplini mo gagi.
example. So i-run na to. So 5 ang kuan answer na code. Balik ta sa PPT. Wait, kaya balik naman sa PPT. So as seen in the example, both the number variable and display method can be accessed from another class. So kanang isa ka public class example is from another class ni siya na naka-access sa another class, which is public class test Maka-assist siya since naka-public man siya o wala siya naka-private.
Napadayan na ito.
So next example is, another example of access modifier is private access modifier. A private access modifier is the most restrictive members declared private are accessible only within the same class. So let's create a private modifier. Example. Then object that can private string. String atong gigamit kay pangalan man. Private void display. Ay, mali. Public void. So, itry na to run. So, dyan gyapon ang nigawas. So, balik ta sa PPT. So, ang explanation is the name variable and display method are private, so they cannot be accessed directly from the test class. So, meaning is ang private is dili siya maka-access dayon kay since naka-private siya.
So we're done in the public and private. So let's proceed to the protected. So what is protected? The protected access modifier allows access within the same package and subclasses. So let us demonstrate the code. So let's create a method nga name manager public class manager extends kay mag create man tag employee yun yung account, so gamit tag extends. So public void show so display so let's create another class for the employee. So
15 lang ba?
eh so since protected na to ang access modifier, so protected na itong gamiton dre. Tapos then void then system dot so we're done with the code. So i-try na to run. So here muna siyang salary, muna siyang result. So matong gibutan na ito na yung 1000.0. So okay, so itong code no. So here's our final product of the protected access modifier. So the protected access modifier is ang salary variable kay muna siya ang display salary method. So ma-access siya sa manager class kay subclass man siya sa employee. So let us proceed to default. So no access modifier is specified. The default access modifier is applied. It allows access only within the same package. So code na to. So first is employee gapon na itong gamiton na variable. Employee Post new.
Aspoy, mali ka no? Nakalimot dito ko. Francisco no? Oo, sa'yo, sa'yo, sa'yo.
Tapos
Papasahod
and
ko sa chat
that
lang.
department. Then the okay. Then let's create a class sa employee. Ay, wala naman dito kamito na ano. Kay default naman siya. So string. So string itong gamiton kay words man. String department. So system.
Ano ka kanto ko ang pampalando? Ginagawa na ako mga kailangan ba yun? At kubo. Ginagawa na ako siglaan ako. Nawala ang luha. Ang buto nga sa luha. Ay, kasi galing sa kabahat pinsulto na ako. Ilan kasi pinsulto sa ako. Pinsulto na.
Word. So okay na ang code. So department. So ito yung integral. So wala ang salt department HR. So ano siya ang default. So dala siya ang final product. So ang department variable kay display department method. So ma-access siya from another class within the same package. 1, 2, 3, go.
To summarize, public access is ang public access modifier is accessible from anywhere, while ang private access modifier is accessible only within the same class.
So the protected is only accessible within the same package and subclasses, while ang default kay accessible within the same package lang sa. So
Slide.
that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
So
So mao na mong PPT.
thank you.